They're so beautiful. I know you get a random set of markers every time, but as long as I get skin tones, I'll be satisfied. Because I normally use brown, and, you know, I normally use, like, brown and, browns, reds, blacks, and stuff like that. Oh, this case is nice, too. Oh, this feels, it's heavy. This is, like, at least 1.5 pounds. And it was pretty cheap. I believe it was, like, 35 something, almost $40, so not bad at all. Oh, this looks way much than I thought. So pretty. There's some pinks in here. Let's see how many skin tones we got. We got this one. Focus 91. We got 94. Picking out all the skin tones. Oh, these are so pretty. 25 looks like a peach. This could be considered a skin tone, I guess. Maybe like a light-skinned fair. These could be skin tones. We got 101. There's no way I'm gonna be able to organize all these. There's no way. This could be a skin tone. It's more of like a tan. It's like a cool tan. This is a 31. This leans towards the yellow, but it could be a skin tone. This could be considered a skin tone. I'm definitely going to test all these out. I'm going to organize all the skin tones and test them out separately. Oh, we got a card. What else? This is a fair skin tone. I don't know if these numbers are the same for all these skin tones, or for all these colors, I guess. I don't know if they mean anything. Some of them have like numbers, or have like letters in front of them, like this one. And then some of them are just numbers. So I don't know what the deal is with that one. So like, yeah, this has a letter, this has a letter. This one says, what is this? CSGO. That's funny. Okay. CSGO. That's funny. CSGO 0.5. This just looks like a white. Why don't you just say white? Or whatever the number is for white. Like, this is 3. You'd think the single digits would be like black or white or something. It's like, this black is 120. I'm glad I got a black, by the way. And then this white just says CSGO on it. Or CGO. I've been saying CSGO this whole time. Force of habit. CGO. Or CG 0.5, I guess, would make more sense. This one is two letters. I don't know what the deal is with that one, but I got some nice pastels. This one is like super saturated, it seems. So I got a good blend of colors. And I have this super saturated red, which is interesting. I have a lot of pinks, a lot of grays, some blues, a fair amount of colors. So yeah, pretty good. These are all the skin tones. I'm gonna organize these by shade, and I'll put them down here eventually. Right here next to Alphonse. Okay, bye.